Hey guys, hello everyone. Thanks for watching. We're still on the Mazda 3. When we picked up this car, we noticed a couple of the buttons and the cover for this was missing. So we're going to show you on how to change the front cover with a new one or gently used one. This is also one off. This is a 2007 Mazda 3, and this one, the front cover for the radio is also from a 2007 Mazda 3. We were checking online, and pretty much everything from 2004 to 2009 shares the same sort of quality. So first things first is gently try to take this plastic piece off. So we already started anyway. All it is just a couple plastic clips. Just like that. So there's a few right there. And then holding the cover in are just a couple Phillips screws right over there. So we'll take those out. This cover should just slowly come right out. There we go. Now if we look on the back side, it's just held on by a couple Phillips screws right there. So sometimes it's always good to have two people working on something like this so you don't damage the radio or damage anything else. So we got the first two on the driver's side done. Okay, so now that the four screws are out, there we go. There's the old cover, just like so. And here's the better looking one. So we just slide that back right in. Just make sure that they got a couple pins right here and right there. Make sure that both of these lock right in. If they don't lock in, then you're binding on something and you'll probably break it, because these are very, very fragile pieces. So after we do that, we put the four screws in, two on each side. So those two are done. These two are done. So then just slide it back in, just like that. There you are. And then we put the two Phillips screws back in, one right there, One right there. Okay, once those are tight, you just gotta put the plastic piece that went over on top. Just make sure with the clips we don't damage any. Like I said, everything should just fall right into place. Yeah. So there you go. Everything looks proper, like how it should be. There you go. Less than 10 minutes. It's a small, easy fix. So there you go, guys. Perfect. Perfect. So thanks again for watching. If you want to see some more things, we got a few more things planned for this car. Like, subscribe, comment if you can. Also follow me on social media as well. On Instagram and on Facebook. I got a Facebook page, G's on Fire Racing. I got a few more other cars that we're trying to get sort of completed, so stay tuned, and thanks again. Have a good one.